Good morning, Bachman Middle School. Today is Wednesday, December 16th. It is a Cohort 2 class meeting day and a Cohort 1 virtual coaching day. I am Mr. Strand with today's Tiger Talk. Today is the third day of our holiday theme week, and today's theme is Elf Yourself. That's right, dress as an elf or wear elf ears or do anything else to make yourself appear as one of Santa's little helpers. You can't see them right now because I'm in a close-up, but I'm wearing these elf pants featuring Buddy the Elf from the movie Elf saying, "Does somebody need a hug?" One of the things that he says in the movie. I have those pants on right now. That's my elf costume. Next up, let's talk about our word of the week, which is chronological. We talked about how chronological means putting things in the order in which they happened. And one way in which we count chronological time, of course, is by our calendar. Here in the United States, we use the Gregorian calendar of 12 months, 28 to 31 days each. You're familiar with it. I'm sure you've all seen it many times. There are other calendars around the world. And one that I find particularly interesting is the Ethiopian calendar. In Ethiopia, they have 13 months in a year. 12 of them are exactly 30 days long. And the 13th is only 5 days, or 6 if it's a leap year. That short 13th month is called Pagum. I should stop here to point out that I'm probably saying many of these Ethiopian words wrong. So if anyone, student or faculty or otherwise, speaks Amharic, let me know how I'm doing and let me know how I can do better on these. Also, the Ethiopian calendar does not start anywhere near our January 1st. Ethiopian New Year, or Enkutatash, occurs on the date Meskerem 1. And that occurs on September 10th or 11th, depending on if there's a leap year or not. So the year starts in September, and it has 13 months. Also, because of some discrepancies with when they started counting, it is the year 2013 in Ethiopia. And today is not December 16th, 2020. It is 7 Tassas 2013. So now you know a little bit about the Ethiopian calendar and how it marks chronological time differently than the Gregorian calendar. Now it's time for something exciting and fun and new. BMS now stands for Bachman Masked Singer. I'm sure many of you have seen or heard of the TV show The Masked Singer, in which celebrities wear elaborate costumes and sing songs. We're doing our own version here at Bachman with the teachers. So this week is going to be our first matchup. We have 2 contestants this week, the Christmas present versus the tutu. I'll show you these 2 performances, and then there will be a link where you can vote on who will move on to the next round. First up, here is the Christmas present performing Jingle Bells.
Dancing through the snow on a one-horse open sleigh, over the fields we go, laughing all the way, ha ha ha, sleigh the bells on ring, making spirits bright. Oh, what fun it is to go on a sleigh ride tonight. Jingle bells, jingle all the way. Oh, what fun it is to ride in a one-horse open sleigh. Jingle bells, jingle all the way. Oh, what fun it is to ride in a one-horse open sleigh.
All right, let's have a big round of applause for the present. And now, here, singing Party in the USA, is our second performer of the day, the tutu. Let's hear it for the tutu.
I hopped off the plane at LAX with my dream in a cardigan. Welcome to the land of fame excess. Am I gonna fit in? Hopped in the cab, here I am for the first time. Look to my right and I see the Hollywood sign. This is all so crazy. Everybody seems so famous. My tummy's turning and I'm feeling kind of nervous. Too much pressure and I'm nervous. But when the taxi man turned on the radio and the Jay-Z song was on, and the Jay-Z song was on, and the Jay-Z song was on, so I put my hands up to play my song. The butterflies fly away, nodding my head like yeah, moving my hips like yeah. So I put my hands up and play my song. Know I'm gonna be in the USA. Yeah. It's a party in the USA.
Once again, let's have a big hand for the tutu. So those are your two performers for today, the present and the tutu. In the BMS Students and Staff Announcements Schoology group, there will be a form where you can vote for who you think should move on to the next round. You can also guess who you think both of this week's performers are. And if you are the first person to correctly guess the eliminated performer, you will get a prize. We will reveal on Friday who the eliminated performer is. All right, have a great day, everyone, and we will see you tomorrow.